everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make skillet roasted smashed potatoes. In 6 cups of hot boiling water, add in 2 teaspoons of salt. Now carefully add in 2 cups of baby potatoes. Close a lid and cook them until they are tender for 15 minutes. Potatoes are tender. Drain the potatoes in a colander and allow to dry for 5 minutes. In a large non-stick skillet, heat 4 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, optional. Add half a teaspoon of chopped red chili or to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Cook until soft for about half a minute. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. Cook until lightly brown. Add half a teaspoon of salt or to taste. Now reduce the flame to the lowest. Using the palm of your hand, gently press the potatoes until lightly smashed. Use a paper towel if the potatoes are still hot. Add in the potatoes, give it a gentle mix. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, optional. Now cook the potatoes without stirring until the bottoms turn golden brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. Using a spatula, turn the potatoes over and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Sprinkle little cut parsley over the potatoes. This is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's quick video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.